Daheng New Epoch Technology Incorporated, located in Beijing, China, is a high-tech enterprise mainly engaged in optical, electro, mechanical, and electric information industries. Daheng Technology developed the Handheld portable laser welding system DH2000. It is small and light, easy to learn and operate, suitable for various environment and space. DH2000 equips with the latest generation of fiber laser, weld feeder, wobble welding gun, 5 taps of nozzles, and 10 to 15 meters fiber. DH2000 works at peak power of 2000 watts, produces weld smooth, stable, and reliable. Compared with traditional methods, DH2000 is up to 3 to 10 times faster. Welds with small widths, low heat input, and maximized heat affected zone without distortion, deformation, undercut, or burn through. DH2000 comes with operation manual. Novice and experienced operators can produce high-quality welds quickly and consistently. Please wear protective equipment during operation. Built-in 5 languages. Supports 6 welding modes, including spot, line, circle, 00, triangle, and 8 profile. To meet different welding demands, allow operators to adjust the power and spot size with optimized settings for different thickness and materials welding jobs. DH2000 are suitable for internal corner welding, external corner welding, tailored welding, and wire feeding welding. All welding modes can adopt wire feeding or not wire feeding. The welding seam is smooth and flat, no need to rework and grinding. It is generally no more than 3 millimeters. Similar metals of different electrical conductivity could be welded also. Welds without deformation and distortion. Wire feeding welding is the most popular welding mode. It provides superior weld strength than traditional methods. DH2000 handheld laser welding system handles different thickness materials like stainless steel, aluminum alloy, carbon steel, and galvanized plate. Widely used in cabinets, doors, windows, stairs, shelves, containers, and other industries. For more information, please contact us. We'd like to create an easier solution for you.